This video is a tutorial on adding new color palettes to the Wes Anderson package on GitHub. We found this package on GitHub and we realized some colors for Wes Anderson movies were missing or could be improved. So there was only one Fantastic Mr. Fox color palette with 5 colors, and we wanted to add another. And this list also did not have color palettes for some of the short Wes Anderson movies. The color palettes we added and the visualizations we created using them. Henry Sugar, a short film, visualization using the Iris dataset. The Swan, visualization for the Penguins dataset. Poison, visualization also from the Penguins dataset. And Ratcatcher, another short film, and a visualization from the Iris dataset. And we also added an improved Fantastic Mr. Fox color palette. Here are the colors that were added. And visualizations using the ggplot2 dataset of IMDb ratings. And some heat maps using the MTCars dataset and the Iris dataset. Package structure, there is one R directory and pretty much everything is in this colors.r file. It's pretty straightforward. There's really just a list of the different palettes per movie and one function to call called Wes palette. So I'll show you really quick how you can use this yourself. So you can just run the install GitHub command and get the package. It's Karthik/Wes Anderson. And then in order to actually get a color palette, a Wes Anderson color palette, you can run this one function, Wes palette, and I put in Grand Budapest 2, and you get back Grand Budapest Hotel color palette here, as you can see.
In this part of the video, I'll be showing you how we forked an R package on GitHub, edited it, submitted a pull request, using only RStudio and GitHub. No need for command lines here. First, we'll go to the GitHub page for a project. This one's called Wes Anderson. And we'll click Fork to create our own branch that we can modify as we'd like. I've already created one, so I'll just go to my branch that currently exists. Then we'll move over to RStudio and create a new project. If you're logged into your GitHub account in RStudio, you can create it using your fork as the origin, and it'll automatically copy over files. I've already done that here using the Wes Anderson package. Open project. And when you switch over to that project, you get the whole project loaded and any edits you've made to show how the integration with a new project works. We can go over to New Project, version control, and you'll just paste the repository URL, the HTTPS, that you can get from copying from the code menu into here. Then any files you change will show up over here in the Git window. You can commit them and then push to your remote branch. Then, once that's done, you can go back to GitHub and contribute your project and open a pull request to contribute to the original project. It's easy and convenient to use RStudio and GitHub together.